Hey, are you hungry? Because I'm hungry as shit. And if you have, maybe you notice I have been a cook for some time. Something that you might not know is that I got fired, so you better listen up because you're going to learn some shit today. Roll the intro. Don't go there. That's later. Let's start with breakfast. Come here closer. I have two.
That's the backup cameraman.
Just ignore him. It's all good.
So here's one avocado. I have two. Take an avocado. You take this thing off.
This is a shout out to our
Can you look what I'm doing, please? So you take this shit off. If it's green and if it's not brown or even worse, moldy, it's pretty good.
This video is sponsored by our millennial viewers.
Or 12-year-old. So you cut it in half. But nah, that is done. Mother. Cut it in. Never mind.
Whoa, sorry, got distracted. Whoa.
Fucker. You cut these. This is how you peel it. It's beautiful. And you do that with both avocados.
Can we even talk about equality of both genders if we're living in a patriarchal, misogynistic society? Won't everything come from the prism of oppression against one of the genders?
But can we talk about water boiling? Yes, we can. Next thing we need to do is we need to put water to boil.
Water.
Add a little bit of So you put salt to that because you're gonna need salt. You wait until it's boiled. You get with the rest of the avocado, and we're gonna save some memory, but not filming for a while. Alright, so this is so stupid. So we have the avocado that goes a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper.
Why are you so salty?
Nobody knows my real name. I'm gonna bleep that.
Hey, Jester, why are you so salty?
Hey,
Latvian Jester, okay?
That was a good. No,
it's
no
so
Latvian. You bitches don't know shit. Okay. Then you put some lime in there. Well, their idiots are talking, and then you.
Yeah. Squeeze me like I'm a lemon.
And then you smash it like it's 1931.
What happened?
What happened in 1931?
I don't know. People smashed or something. Can we Google that?
Google it.
I mean,
Leave your comment below what happened on 1931. Smushy smush.
so this is how it should look. Then you should taste it. Know that it tastes like shit. So you add a bit more salt. Right? And then you look there and realize that the water is boiling. So you take two range-free, I don't know if that's the right terminology, but eggs from the countryside.
Range free.
Free range eggs. I think that's an actual thing.
Range, yeah.
Okay, and here's what you do.
It means you torture the chickens a bit less than normal.
Yeah, that's the idea. So here, some of you are gonna learn some new magic tricks. So, put more light in there. So you wapow, and you throw it in like that. And first things first is gonna look like.
Wait, is that a poached egg?
Sort of. Yeah.
Drip, drip.
It's gonna look a little bit like, something that comes out of a male's body. Wapow. You hope that you don't break the yolk, because if you break the yolk, it's gonna taste like shit.
The armpit cam.
And then the idea is you make it more or less sort of intact.
So that is a poached egg, right?
Well, it is a poached egg, yeah, is the
Okay.
thing. And then you sort of wait for like, I don't know, I'm bad with timing, as people might know, for like a minute-ish.
one eternity later.
In the meantime, what you can do is grab a little bit of. Don't look at that. That's later. Sneak. You get 2 pieces of bread for 2 cameramen.
Hey
Toast
Jester.
them.
Hey Jester, are you gonna guac my world?
For the one cameraman. This went to shit. Oh my god, this is so bad. Okay, so and you hope that this does not happen because this looks horrible. But this is pretty much ready.
As my father's grandson once told me, 50% of the taste is in the looks.
Quoting Ryan Higa, I appreciate that.
That is true. That is true.
And,
Picked up the reference.
You're using the iron holder. It's okay.
This one's a bit better, sort of. Partly, it's still shit.
Jester,
why.
don't judge an egg by its cover.
It doesn't have a cover. I cracked the cover and then I.
Such a shallow analysis of humans. Crack the cover.
And it looks
Don't you mean
horrible.
a shallow analysis?
Remember when I said I got fired? This is exactly why I can't do.
No,
shit.
that was because you didn't put labels on jams, okay?
Okay, so shut up. Okay, so first things first. You hope that yours looks better. I am here for the people that don't make it as good, and you know we out here. I'm here with you. Okay, this one you can give to somebody you hate. It's waiting time. The bread's ready. We need to.
Gotta get that bread.
Wait, I'm gonna make it here. So, a little bit of that
Guac.
So it's not quite guac, but a little bit of avocado. So, add this. Swear to God, this is gonna be the best breakfast you've ever had for like 2 days. In 2 days' time.
Geez, I hope I'll get one of those delicious sandwiches.
It's not a sandwich. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What is it though? If it's not a sandwich.
It's like a avocado toast.
Wait, I thought if you put something on bread, then it's automatically a
You have
sandwich.
to put stuff between 2 breads for it to be a sandwich.
I've been living in lies.
Yes.
You were adopted. What?
Skia!
So, in a perfect world, these eggs would look less like shit. But we don't live in a perfect world, so you add a little bit more of them peppers for looks. You add a little bit more salt for taste.
CT egg can.
And voila, and you feed this to the boys. That's the breakfast. Bon appetit.
It's 5 p.m., but not a breakfast.
Okay. Camera.